In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can get some insanely strong early game gear here in Crimson Desert, including a powerful weapon, shield, and a ton of extra loot right at the start. Before we do get into this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. If it has helped the channel, lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, first things first, you need to head over to the back alley trader location. And when you do get there, pick up the mask and a few keys. If you don't know how to get the mask, just watch a guide. We have a few already up on there. Once you go in and get that, I'd recommend getting multiple keys just because it'll help you access more locked rooms. And whenever you're ready, make your way over to the mansion area up at the very top of the map. And you won't be able to get in through the front entrance, but if you head around to the back of the buildings, you'll look for any really openable window. That's how you can access this mansion. So go in there. Once you go ahead and go in there, you essentially want to use all those keys in as many rooms as you can, because in those rooms, you're going to have some pretty good early game gear and valuable loot. For example, one of the first items that you'll find is a powerful weapon with strong stats that will carry you through a pretty big portion of the early game. After that, move on to the next building, and it's essentially just going to be a repeat of the exact same process. Use as many keys as you can, open up as many rooms as you can, and loot as much as possible. Especially make sure that you check upstairs rooms and anyone that there is one, since those are going to have a little bit better, rewards in there. But on top of that, you're going to get stuff like consumables and outfits and other valuables that can help you progress further. It really is that simple. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Let us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.